Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Peter from Sun Insurance and Logistics coming live today. Today I'm going to do a video which can help you understand on how you can really save on your vehicle insurance car payments. A lot of you out there I know during this time of COVID-19 are really struggling, and also inflation, a lot of problems, economy not being strong, and everybody needs money to do something, and you keep on paying those insurance payments. Other bills are piling, but this is one thing I decided to do a video on, and you can revisit or do a review of your policy. If you have 5 vehicles or 1 vehicle, 2, or you have 3 vehicles, and you have home insurance, you need to talk to your insurance agent and see if there's a way they can help you save some money. So there's some video I did when I was in a car dealership, and I did promise I was going to do a video on how you can save on the car payment, and this is the video, and welcome. But before I proceed, if you are new to this channel, please consider to look at my content, judge by yourself if it's worthy, and if you would like to support me. And for the returning subscribers, thank you very, very much for your continued support. We are growing, and at the end of this year, our target is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So without much wasting time, let me go straight to the point. So I know you really want to know how you can save on vehicle insurance coverages. Every state, at least a majority of people who live in the United States, they own a vehicle, and you pay on those huge bills. It's for everybody who has a vehicle, and they are paying insurance. If you're in Canada, you are in Asian countries, you're in Africa, and it doesn't matter where you are, but this video is going to help you. So what are these ways that you can save on your insurance? The first thing you have to remember, if you are a homeowner, and which means you own a home, so there are ways you can talk to your insurance company or insurance representative, agent, so they can factor in the discount when you own a home. And it doesn't mean that you only own a single family home. So if you own like a townhouse, a condo, or condominium, they count. All you have to do is talk to your insurance agent, and then they can factor in. If you have a teen driver in your household, because if you buy insurance and you say you live with teenagers in your household, the insurance rates, they shoot up. So what you need to know, if you have a driver who's a teenager and is under the age of 19, and who is rated in your policy, and you have already been insured for a continuous 1 year, you may earn a discount. But you have to mention so to your insurance agent so they can reevaluate. If, let's say, last year in 2021, your teenager driver in the house was 18, and now he's turned she has done 10 years of age, then you need to report this to your insurance company so they can reevaluate your policy and award the discounts. There's also some technology which has come up. There are some devices which you might need to order from your insurance company through your agent. And once you take advantage of those devices, I know Progressive has one. It's called a snapshot. So you tell your insurance agent to order it for you. If your vehicle qualifies, they bring it to your house through the mail, and there's instructions on how you're gonna plug it to your vehicle under the steering with the support. You have to plug it in, and then it keeps monitoring your driving habits, like braking, how you drive, and if you are not going too far, and it actually monitors your driving behavior. And you let the device stay there for 3 months, and if you qualify, you may earn up to 30% discount of total yearly premium or total 6-month premium. So it doesn't cost anything, and I usually tell my clients, give it a shot. It doesn't hurt to try something if your main objective is to cut the costs of insurance coverage. Also, we have a distance student discount. So if you have a student who is licensed and is under the age of 23, and they are on your policy, and you may save some cash on your insurance. So what you'll do is driver lifts you, and they go to school. Let's say if you live in Wisconsin and they go to school 100 miles out, let's say in Chicago, University of Chicago, and they are away most of the time from home, and they don't have access to the vehicles. They only come once, like holidays, break, and go. So you may have to report to your insurance company, and the insurance company will award you some discount. If you have a 3-year safe driving experience, you have never had any violations, no ticket, no speeding tickets, you have never done any accident, so which means you are accident free and violation free, you are a candidate who will qualify for a big discount after your renewal. Also, if you have a continuous insurance coverage, if you have been having insurance, let's say for 3 years without a lapse, then you would be considered a candidate to earn insurance. Also, if you have been 5 years claim free, you haven't done any claim, you will have to again report to your insurance, and then they will consider you to get that kind of discount. Also, when you buy insurance policy, consider the payment options. If you have money upfront, you have the option of paying in full. If the policy is the whole policy for the month is $600, tell your insurance agent that you want to pay in full. If you pay in full, you may be saving a lot of money because there's not going to be installments. So you pay upfront, but when it's going to be installments, it's going to be some fees, and they charge, installment fee. So by paying upfront, you pay a lot of money, And that's for those ones who are able, if you have money saved somewhere and you want to pay for the whole year, and that will help. I remember one of my clients, he has a semi-truck, and he had worked and he had some money. His poles were around $20,000, and he decided to pay the whole amount for the whole year. And this customer saved a lot of money, about $7,000. And you don't see it like that, but when you pay in installments, you actually pay more money than when you pay in full. So if you think you can do that, that's a way of saving some money. And also consider automatic card payments, or EFT. Instead of receiving your statements or invoices in the mail, and then you mail it back. So since we have the technology these days, consider automatic payments. This one saves you a lot of time, and especially if you travel abroad, or if you are within the country where you live, you travel to another state, and people usually forget. If you forget, you may find, like, your policy, you are going to be charged a late fee. Some companies, they charge $20 if your payment, you pay after your due payments. And that's a lot of money. The last point, but not least, is if you have a good student, if you have somebody in your household and they are students, and they would earn a discount based on their grades. So if you have a driver on your policy under 23 years old, with at least a B average grade in school, this one you would have to document with transcripts showing that the student earned these grades, and then your insurance company would adjust the rates, and from there you will earn a huge discount. So guys, hopefully you have learned something today. So if you are sitting right there, go and get your policy statements and look at them, your declaration page, and see how much you are paying and how old is your policy, and call your insurance agent, and talk to them and see if they can help you and save some money. And if you are out there looking for insurance, I'm a professional insurance agent, and if you wanted to have any consultation, or if you wanted a quote, I actually cover the state of Wisconsin, Illinois, Georgia, and Delaware. That's where I'm licensed. And if you wanted to have talk about insurance business, you are free to contact me or leave me a message below this video, and I should be able to get in touch with you. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.